Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to append data to a file in Python instead of overwriting it. We'll cover the append mode, how to write multiple lines, and how to read back the updated content using a plus mode. Let's jump into PyCharm and get started. Right click on Files folder, choose New, then Python file. Let's name it append_file_demo. Now let's create a file to work with. In the same folder, create a new text file called log.txt. Add 1 or 2 lines manually so we can see the difference after appending. Let's first understand what append means. When you open a file in append mode, Python doesn't delete existing content. It simply adds your new text at the end of the file. We use the mode A for this. It stands for append. Let's now write our first append operation. Let's type with open within parentheses, in quotes log.txt, comma, in quotes a close parenthesis as file colon. Now inside the block we type file.write open parenthesis, in quotes appending first line \n close parenthesis. This will open the file in append mode, write the line and automatically close the file after we're done thanks to the with block. Let's run the code. Now open log.txt and scroll to the bottom. You will see the appending first line. Perfect. Let's now try appending multiple lines at once. We type with open parenthesis log.txt, comma, a close parenthesis as file colon. Then write file.write triple quotes appending second line \n, appending third line \n, triple quotes. Triple quotes allow us to write multi-line strings easily. Let's run the program again. Now check the file. You'll see appending second line, appending third line. All lines added safely at the end. Sometimes we want to append new data and immediately read the file's content to confirm the update. That's where a plus mode comes in. Let's type with open parenthesis, in quotes log.txt, comma, a plus close parenthesis as file colon. Inside we write file.write in quotes appending with a plus mode \n. Then move the cursor to the beginning of the file using file.seek open parenthesis 0 close parenthesis. Then read print open parenthesis file.read close parenthesis. This appends a line, then jumps back to the top and prints the full content of the file. Let's run this and check the output in PyCharm console. You will see the entire file printed with the new line at the bottom. Why use append? Let's say you are logging events in a program, like every time a user logs in, or when an error occurs, or a transaction is processed. Instead of creating a new file each time, we just append new lines at the end of a log file. Appending keeps your file history intact and avoids data loss. Let's recap. We opened a file in A mode to append a single line. Then we used triple quotes to write multiple lines. Next we used the plus mode to append and then read the entire file. This approach is safe, efficient and recommended in all production code. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.